Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of my neighbours has a 17-year-old son who's just starting to get really interested in politics. And the other day, my neighbour and I were chatting in the street and her son joined us. As he was listening to the conversation, he basically butted in and said, "Let me just check I've got this right. So basically, the government is underfunding the National Health Service so that they can then privatise it, so that they can then cream off the profits for their friends and for themselves." My neighbour rolled her eyes and said, "Hey, it was ever thus." If you say it was ever thus, you mean we've always had this problem. Things have always been like this. These kinds of problems go way back. This is nothing new. In the same way, when you hear people fretting about the fact that young people absorb extremist content online and develop radical points of view, you might shrug and say, hey, it was ever thus. Even before the internet, young people became radicalised after being exposed to certain kinds of extreme points of view. Once I was taking a taxi along the main road near where I live, and I had quite an elderly taxi driver, and I commented on how busy it was on the main road and how much traffic there was. He looked at me sympathetically and said, "Ah, mate, it was ever thus. It's always been like that round here." If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, maybe you could show us a couple of A-B conversations where you think B might use "it was ever thus."